What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have a package here to unbox. We got the Blue Alien on deck. So this is the D73 Jumpter, it says on the top, whatever that is. So let's open this up. On this side, looks like a Syma X5C style aircraft, almost identical to the Syma X5C. Transmitter in here. So no camera though. So this is just going to be a sports flyer here. We're definitely going to check it out. We have an instructions manual, pretty detailed, nice instructions manual in black and white though. We have Chinese on the inside. The transmitter feels okay, definitely feels toy grade, as it is a toy grade there. We have this screw here. The screw can be removed because we have this little latch here to keep the battery in once we remove the screw. And so these legs are removable, but I'm not going to be removing them because these arms don't have any landing gear on them. No landing studs or anything. So looks like we're going to be flying with the legs on it. On and off switch in the back. We do have a battery in here. Let's check out the size of the battery. The battery is a 600 milliamp hour 1S. 3.7 volts. So let's look at the lights. So we got blue in the rear and green in the front. So this might be a hopefully this is a really nice flyer. You guys can expect some flight footage of this guy coming up really soon. We have some prop guards in here. But you guys know I don't put the prop guards on. We're going to be flying this guy outside anyhow. I think there's no need for prop guards flying outdoors. So let's get this open and see how many batteries. I'm guessing it's going to take 3 AA batteries. We don't have to put that screw back in. So just as I suspected, 3 AA batteries. No altitude hold. Pretty happy about that. Tired of having these quads with altitude hold. So this should be a pretty sporty flyer. Looking forward to flying it. It's the Jumpter D73. Thanks for watching.